Is Spruce and Sky the real deal or just another fly-by-night scam? If you've seen their ads popping up lately, you're not alone. I had to see if they lived up to the hype. Here's what I found out, fast. Let's start with the basics. Spruce and Sky is a pretty new name in online fashion, but as of 2026, they're checking all the boxes for a legit business. First up, the reviews. I dug into recent feedback on Trustpilot, and most customers say shipping is smooth, and what you get actually matches the website. That's rare these days, right? Now, about the company details. It's not some mysterious about us page and a P.O. box. Spruce and Sky is run by Victor's E-Commerce LLC, and they're totally transparent about their business registration and an actual warehouse based in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you ever need help, they offer a real support line. Plus, their email actually gets responses. That's a green flag for me. Let's get into what shoppers are saying this spring. The Isabella floral dress and the cotton summer maxi. Lightweight, true to size, and no weird surprises. Shipping time? Most folks reported about 5 business days, sometimes even faster. And those white sneakers, they're apparently comfy straight out of the box. No break-in drama. A couple of quick tips though. Sizing can always be tricky, so I'd double-check their size guides before ordering, especially if you're on the fence. And for total peace of mind, always use a credit card or PayPal, just in case. So is Spruce and Sky legit? Based on the latest feedback and the facts, they're a solid bet, not a scam. If you give them a try, drop your experience in the comments.